In question number 2, it says a tree which breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground and making an angle of 30 degree with it. So let's say this be a tree, right? This was the original length of the tree. This being the original length of the tree. It let's I name it as AB as the original length of the tree. Say it broke from a point. Say I took a point, say C, from which it broke, right? As you can see, this part has broken, and the broken part meets the ground right here. Let's say this is the point at which it is meeting. So say this is D. We need to know that this length is equal to this. Why? Because it's the same broken part, right? This, when broke, it actually take the shape of CD here, right? They are same. Now, what it says that the angle made by the top of the tree or the end of the tree which touches the ground is 30 degree. This should be taken as vertical. And the distance between, right, whether we should see this, the distance between the foot of the tree and the top of the, and the top touches the ground as 80 meter. You have to find the height of the tree. So we know this length. This length is 8 meter. This is 8 meter. This length is 8 meter. We have to find the original height of the tree. Original height of the tree is this. That means what we need to get is AC plus BC is what we have to get. So AC is same as CD. So we can say I can replace AC with CD, CD plus BC. That is what we have to get. So let's find one at a time. So let's find CD. So for that, we will take the right angle triangle. There's only one triangle here. So in triangle, we must mention it's right triangle BCD. We'll apply tan here as that needs a relation between perpendicular and the base. So we'll write tan 30 degree. That is equal to perpendicular. The perpendicular is BC in this case, and the base, perpendicular upon base is BD. The value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3. BC is what we have to get, and BD from the figure it is 8. So by cross multiplication we get BC as, by cross multiplication it is 8 over root 3 as the length of BC. Further we can rationalize it, or we can do it later at the end. Now let's find out the length of the other dimension, that is CD here. So for that, again the triangle remains the same. In right triangle, we are taking that same triangle BCD, and this time we will apply sine. Why sine? Because we are interested in finding the length of sine or cos, both will work. Let's say, for example, if you get cos, we have to get the length of hypotenuse, and we know the length of the base here. So sine and cosec and sec gives a relation between these two. So I'm taking cos 30, which is base by hypotenuse. Base is BD over hypotenuse, which is CD. Cos 30, the value of cos 30 is root 3 by 2. BD is what we know as 8. CD is what we have to get. So CD is equal to 16 root, that is 16 by root 3. Sorry. 16 by root 3. That's by cross multiplication. So this is equation 1, and this being equation 2. As we know, we have to get the length of this whole tree, which is same as AC plus BD. And as we know that the length of AC is same as length of AC and BD are same. And that's why here I wrote what we have to get is CD plus BC. So what next? We can, let me make some space here. We can write here is we have to get the length of AB. AB I can split as AC plus BC, and AC can be replaced with CD and BC as BC only. The length of CD is 16 over root 3, and this has 8 over root 3. So if you add, what you're going to get is 24 over root 3. Later you can rationalize it, root 3 by root 3. So that will give you 24 root 3 upon 3, and that you can reduce, and write it as this is equal to 8 root 3 meter, and that will be the length, or original length of the tree.